Hello and welcome. Today we will speak about LATEX and tables. If you want to know how to make a nice table in LATEX, please stay with me and we will look how to make it. As you can see, I'm in Visual Studio Code. I'm using document class article and I begin my document with title, author and date. After I'm using section, subsection and my table. You can see a PDF which I've just created for you, and it's very nice. What I've made here. I begin document with table. As you can see, table is my title. After my author, LaTeX skill, and date, which is date today. I created table. This table is center, means it's in the middle of the paper, and you can see the year and happy day. It means 2019 it was happy day Monday, 2020 it was happy day Friday, and so on. And so it's only to you can see example. As you can see, I've just opened package for you. Look with me, Fontaine or array package. I'm just using package book tabs. You can directly view your documentation, and you can look and read all necessary for your work. It means if you are not understand anything, please read this documentation and you can work with this documentation. You don't need anything else. After, you can see that the documentation from Xcolor, which how you can use color of your text, how you can make documentation very nice. So you will need to really look carefully and study, because you will need it for your everyday work with this type of documents. You can use quickly and look quickly. I recommend you to read this 100%. Okay. There's another documentation from package Babel, but we wouldn't lose time. Please read carefully and learn what it will show. I can show you one quickly. It's not so interesting now. Yes, we have array, and so we will go to look our extensions. If you are in Germany, you can go to look where they are Erweiterungen and or extensions in English, and you can see LaTeX PDF in my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel if you want to see more nice LaTeX tutorials from me. So have a nice day and bye.